Gravity. Gravity or gravitation is a natural phenomenon by which all things with mass or energy, including planets, stars, galaxies, and even light, are brought towards one another. On Earth, gravity gives weight to physical objects. In the moon's gravity causes the ocean tides. What is gravity exactly? Gravity is a force of attraction that exists between two masses, any two bodies, any two particles. Gravity is not just the attraction between objects and the earth. It is an attraction that exists between all objects everywhere in the universe. What causes gravity? The answer is gravity, an invisible force that pulls objects towards each other. So the closer objects are to each other, the stronger their gravitation pull is. Earth's gravities come from all its mass. All its mass make a combined gravitation pull on all mass in your body. Why is gravity so weird? No force is more familiar than gravity. It what keeps your feet on the ground. After all, Einstein's theory of gravity general gives a mathematical formula for gravity, describing it as a wrap of space. Can gravity be proven? What is the definition proof of gravity? There isn't one. When scientists can't figure something out, they put their heads together and try. That's why scientists don't believe in life on other planets. There's no scientific formula to say there's life on other planets. So what is the proof of gravity? There isn't one. That is not how science works. Gravity is the name we give to the phenomenon that objects accelerate towards each other when they are otherwise left to their own devices. Why is there no gravity in space? The second reason that gravity is not so obvious in space is because objects tend to orbit planets instead of hitting them. Orbiting just means that an object falls towards a planet due to gravity and continues, misses it. Astronauts in orbit around the Earth are not experiencing no gravity. What isn't affected by gravity? Metal components such as histories, misinformation, love, sorrow are about the only things not affected by gravity. But pretty much everything else is, even light and time. Einstein rings allow us to directly observe the effect of gravity on light. Does Earth gravity bend light? Yes, light is affected by gravity, but not in its speed. General reality, our best guess as to how the universe works, gives two effects of gravity on light. It can bend light, which includes effects such as gravitation, lensing, and it can change the energy of light. Is time a dimension? Time is just as good as dimensions as space is as good. No matter how you boost yourself through space, you must always move forward through time. If time wasn't a dimension with the exact priorities, its purposes especially would be invalid, and we could not construct space-time to describe our universe. Is the fourth dimension possible? The things is our daily life have height, width, and length. Height, width, and length. The height of an object, the width of an object, and the length of an object. But for someone who's only know life in two dimensions, 3D dimensions will be impossible to comprehend. And that, according to many researchers, is the reason we can't see the fourth dimension or any other dimensions beyond that. Who invented gravity? Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was an English mathematician and a physicist who lived from 1642 to 1727. The legend is that Newton discovered gravity when he saw a fallen apple while thinking about the force of nature. Can gravity be proven? That's not how science works. What is the 5 facts about gravity? Gravity, by far, the weakest force we know. Gravity and weight are not the same thing. Gravity makes waves that moves at light speed. Gravity might be carried by massless particles called gravitation. Even after all these years, we look at the skies. We look at them. And we scratch our heads. And a study saying we don't know. A study saying we don't know what's out there. Until we find it, we say it don't exist because we have no proof of it. And if we never find it, we'll say it never exists. Thank you. God bless you. And good night.